Simplesat is a versatile feedback management tool that offers a variety of survey options including CSAT, CES, NPS, and 5-star metrics. You can effortlessly embed these surveys directly into Atera's email notification templates for streamlined feedback collection. Create a new survey by customizing the settings to your heart's desire. Then, choose the Integrate with Another Tool option on the Publish tab. Select Atera in the pop-up box. Click the Generate Embed Code button. Make sure you've selected the HTML option, then click Copy Survey. Next, head over to your Atera account and navigate to the Admin panel, Customer-Facing, Email Templates. You can either create a new template or edit an existing one. In the email template, right-click and select Inspect. Then, click on the space where you want the survey to be embedded. Edit as HTML, then paste the HTML code that you copied from your Simplesat account. Click Save, and you're done. Customers can now rate your tickets directly from email with one click. All right, now that we've got that set up, let's look at how Simplesat integrates with Atera's tickets. Each time a rating is received, Simplesat will look up that ticket and sync that information back to the response. Simplesat empowers your support team by seamlessly displaying feedback data directly within the related ticket's custom fields. This feature streamlines your workflow, enabling agents to access valuable feedback insights without ever leaving their ticketing interface, leading to more informed decisions and improved customer interactions. You can sync the rating, sentiment, and comment to any custom fields you create in Atera. After embedding your CSAT, NPS, CES, or 5-star surveys and configuring the integrations, everything will run smoothly in the background without any extra effort on your side. The same applies to ongoing email surveys. If you have any questions or need a hand, don't hesitate to reach out. Our team is set to assist you through live chat or even a speedy screen share call. And don't forget to have fun.